Hi everyone. I have not made any content for I don't know how many weeks. So today I'm gonna do an unbox of this cable. Okay, so why am I making an unbox of that cable? Well, that's because my old USB cable is dying. That cable, well, my computer doesn't recognize it at all. Anything I plug into that cable will just straight up telling me that USB disruptor error. Yeah, and since then that cable had become a charging cable because it still worked, it still charged until yesterday. I let my tablet charge. I let my tablet in that cable, and then I go to sleep. The next morning, my tablet died, and I can't figure out why, because the LED is still blinking, it's still charging. So yeah, I cannot get it to turn on at all. So I unplug it. I tried to hard reset it, but nope, it doesn't work. So until I try with the cable in the bedroom, that cable is used for doing my PinePhone work, and that one, well, the tablet turned on after a few minutes I left it charge. So what happened here is that the tablet battery had completely flat. So instead of charging, it discharged it to the point that it won't even turn on. Yeah, and I have to spend a few hours to completely charge that tablet. So now I'm gonna make so I'm gonna unbox this. I got this as a local hardware store, and it's a Hoco X14 Type C cable, premium product. Alright, as a 2-meter cable, time speed charging cable. On the back there's a Hoco accessory. There's a QR code to WeChat, popular chat communication platform in China, and website, the QR code to that. Supervisor, Hoco Technology, Hong Kong. Add room for a blah 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 blah. Designed by Hoco Technology in Hong Kong, made in China. Copyright 2018. Hoco, all right reserved. And some other information in Chinese. X14 time speed Type C, uncapitalized C. It's a black cable, 2 me, and the barcode. Okay, and that's the cable. I'm gonna unwrap that. So I'm gonna unwrap that. Actually, there's a piece of tape there. I'm gonna remove that. I don't have a paper knife, so I have to use this. And there we go. And it's out. Right. Here it's out. Get out. Alright. And that's the cable. And the cable seems good to me. It's braided, and look at that cable. Black cable with a warranty sticker on it, and there's the Type C with the brand Hoco. It's a Type C cable. So let's remove that. Alright, so let's work. Anyway, before I test that, you can see that this cable is great. The quality is kinda okay to me. Seemingly good. So I'm gonna test. Okay, so I got my PinePhone. It's running on this PinePhone USB port edition. is 1.2A because they sent me the motherboard so that I can continue working on it. So I can continue working on my stuff. Anyway, for any of those that runs my Linux ARM distribution for PinePhone, you can actually go to the terminal and install a program called Power Supply. This application shows you capacity, voltage, and the amount of power, how temperature, which it doesn't seem to work yet, and some USB voltage current limit. Okay, so this is the cable that's completely discharged my tablet, so I'm gonna plug it in. Oh man, charging 0.06 watt, and its current limit is only 0.5 amps. Anyway, the current limit actually is set, depends on how many amps that the charger output, the charger and the cable output, and it's only 0.07 watt. That's gonna take forever. So, and this is the cable that's completely discharged my tablet. This is the Hoco charging cable. I'm gonna plug that in. Okay, it's plugged in. Okay. Current limit 0.5 amps, and it's charging around 4.3 watts. Yeah, this is definitely charging. It's good. I'll have some complaint here that this cable I plug it into my PinePhone is very stiff. It's crunchy. So yeah, that's only a complaint there. Otherwise everything is fine. Thank you for watching.